In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use online payments on Freshbooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to connect a payment processor so your clients can pay invoices online quickly and securely. Start by opening your browser and searching for Freshbooks. In the results, click the official FreshBooks site, the one that reads something like FreshBooks Invoice and Accounting Software for Small, so you land on the correct page. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button and sign into your account. You'll want to be using an account with the right permissions to manage payments for your business. After you've signed in and you're on the dashboard, head to the left-hand navigation and click Payments. This section is where you'll manage all things related to collecting money from clients. Inside Payments, switch to the Online Payments area. This is the hub for enabling payment options your clients can use directly from their invoices. Click Get Started to begin the setup. This tells FreshBooks you want to accept online payments, which helps you get paid faster and reduces manual follow-up. It also enables automatic tracking so payments can be matched to invoices without extra effort. Next, you'll choose a processor. You can click Connect with Stripe or Connect with PayPal. Stripe is a great choice if you want to accept major credit and debit cards and popular digital wallets, and it typically offers a smooth checkout experience embedded in your invoice. PayPal is ideal if many of your clients prefer paying through their PayPal balance or PayPal linked methods, and it also supports card payments. You can connect either one or both depending on your client base. Fees, supported countries, and payout times vary by provider, so pick the option that fits your business best. When you click to connect, you'll be securely redirected to finish the connection and then brought back to FreshBooks when it's complete. A few quick tips as you connect. Make sure your business details are accurate and match your bank information to avoid payout delays. If your business name differs from your brand name, add a recognizable statement descriptor so clients know the charges from you. After you're connected, consider creating a small test invoice to yourself to confirm that the Pay Online option appears and that everything flows as expected. From here on, your invoices can include online payment options, and completed payments will show up under Payments in FreshBooks. If you ever need to change providers, just return to the Online Payments page to manage your connections. That's all you need to start taking online payments in FreshBooks.